So after doing an episode on dating, this dude pops up in our feed and he's like, if you're still doing podcasts in 2026, it's going to be a flop. But if you are doing dating advices, then it might be a hit.
Only if done by women. And so to see whether our podcast is a hit or a miss, thank you for tuning in.
Welcome to Podneeti. Keeps ex as a best friend and says we are mature.
Have you done this?
No, never.
I have. But it is a flag.
10.
It is a flag. I wouldn't say it's a 10 flag, but I get it, but I don't want it. समझ रहे हो? मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि तुम ये क्यों कर रहे हो, क्योंकि ठीक है, होते हैं
इसको
लोग
कहते हैं
mature.
दिलुलु में रहना.
नहीं डेलुलू में नहीं रह रहे हो, but I think I remember Anupam Kher's interview on this. And Metro इन दिनों का एक कोई इंटरव्यू था, I remember hearing about it, और उसमें उन्होंने बोला था कि कैसे हो सकते हो तुम उसके साथ दोस्त जिसके साथ तुम फिजिकली इमोशनली इतने वल्नरेबल रहे हो और अब नहीं हो और अब तुम्हारा कोई और पार्टनर है, तो तुम कैसे बोल सकते हो कि नहीं हम अभी भी दोस्त हैं, क्योंकि वो यादें द बॉडी रिमेम्बर्स, तो वो यादें जो उनके साथ बीती है वो चली नहीं जाएंगी. एंड आई थिंक दैट मेड मी रियलाइज कि हाँ मे बी कीपिंग एन एक्स इन लाइफ इज नॉट अ गुड आइडिया.
Great.
So
if anyone does it, it's a 10.
yeah,
Next one.
I would agree.
Oh भाई साहब. Text back every girl or a guy says मैं rude नहीं होना चाहता हूँ.
This one, Vinayak, you go first.
I think timing of texting back matters. It's like very prompt and late
But
night.
अच्छा
पे
मतलब ऐसे वो 4 घंटे बाद
नहीं,
आफ्टरनून आवर्स में रिप्लाई करे बस.
डिपेंड करता है ना टेक्स्ट क्या है.
But every girl in your DM, every
एक तो लड़कों को बहुत कम डीएम आते हैं भाई लड़कियों के. ये तो सच बात है.
सुंदर लड़कों से पूछो.
सुंदर एवरेज.
कौन है ये लोग, कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
एवरेज की बात कर रहे हैं. मेरे ख्याल से सुंदर लड़कों को भी कम ही आते हैं.
हाँ.
हाँ, तो एक तो बहुत सब्जेक्टिव है क्या बात हो रही है और कितनी ज्यादा बात हो रही है.
I don't know if a man texted every girl in his DM, but you are not thinking for a man. You have to respond for a girl. लड़की
my
को तो आ
girls-
रहे हैं, हाँ,
right.
लड़की को तो आ रहे हैं DMs. Flip the script. अब बताओ, हाँ लड़कों को तो नहीं आ रहे DMs. It is not a big deal. It's not a flag. Your girlfriend is texting every DM.
10.
Men, hypocrite max. है? मैं करूँ तो रासलीला, तुम करो तो कैरेक्टर ढीला. वाह 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 वाह.
चल बस रुलाएगा क्या?
I would like to move on to the next shit,
No,
but
no,
you
no, no,
tell
no.
me.
We've held you. But ठीक है, हाँ. No, I agree. I don't think every text is a little promiscuous. पर I think थोड़ा ज्यादा है. अगर if you हर किसी को entertain क्यों करना है, और especially क्योंकि मैं rude नहीं होना चाहता हूँ is a little 20-year-old behavior. So yes, full flag.
Okay, next one. has a different personality with everyone.
Oof.
I would like to answer. I don't think it's a flag because हर आदमी के साथ आपका रिलेशन अलग होता है. हर आदमी के साथ आपका लेवल ऑफ बात करना अलग होता है.
Yes, but that's not a different personality.
तो यार टेक्निकली पर्सनालिटी के अंडर में ये सब आ गया ना. क्या मैं अपने घर पे कुछ और हूँ और अपने दोस्तों के सामने
वो
कुछ
तो
और
हर
हूँ.
कोई
These-
होता
these
है.
are-
नहीं नहीं.
बट
So
मेरे दोस्त में भी तो कैटेगरी है. एक हाय हेलो फ्रेंड है, एक मेरा एकदम चड्डी बड्डी है. तब हाय हेलो के साथ मैं चड्डी बड्डी बिहेवियर थोड़ी कर सकता हूँ.
valid.
नॉट अ फ्लैग.
प्लस आई थिंक इन द डे एंड एज वी लिव इन, हम बहुत ऐसे इकोसिस्टम्स में रोज में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं जिसमें हमको अपने अलग साइड्स एक्सप्लोर करने होते हैं. जिससे हम जो पेरेंट्स के साथ हैं वो हम वर्क प्लेस में नहीं है, जो हम अपने सिबलिंग्स के साथ हैं वो हम दोस्तों के साथ नहीं है, जो हम पार्टनर के साथ हैं वो लाइक यू सेड. मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली आई थिंक जो इंसान हर रिलेशनशिप को अलग तरीके से मैच्योरली डील कर पा रहा है उसका इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस या EQ
EQ.
इमोशनल क्वोशंट क्वाइट हाई, क्योंकि तुम हर सिचुएशन में एक अप्रोच नहीं लगा सकते हो.
एग्जैक्टली. नॉट अ
हमें
फ्लैग.
जैसे सिखाया जाता है राइट कि पानी की तरह बनो, जिस बर्तन में डलो वैसे हो जाओ. तो आई थिंक दैट इज आई डोंट थिंक इट्स अ फ्लैग. आई थिंक इट्स अ वन मे बी, बट नहीं.
किसने दिया था ये?
तुम अच्छी जगह पे हो.
भाई the same one. Discusses your relationship in details with his or her friends.
Detail is a little throwing me off. थोड़ा ऐसा कि how much detail are we talking, because boys talk about girls is scary.
But I think अगर एक लड़का रिलेशनशिप में like प्यार कर रहा है तो वो अपने मेल फ्रेंड से तो बात नहीं ही करता है.
हाँ, exactly. But when they're not in love and they're just in a relationship with you, then it
Not
gets
done it.
very vulgar very quickly.
I've not done yet.
चुप रहो तुम लोग यार.
I'm
तुम
telling
बॉयज हॉस्टल तुम खा रहे किस सब
मैं
बातें
जिस-
पता है मुझे.
मैं जिस बॉयज हॉस्टल से था हूँ ना वहाँ सिर्फ बॉयज ही थे.
अरे झूठ बोल रहा है, ये झूठ बोल रहा
नहीं, जब हम 11th and 12th में we were in
That was a very easy going school.
वॉक के बीच में हमें पता चल रहा है कि लोग हमारे बारे में क्या सोच रहे हैं, हमको नहीं जानना है ये सब, ठीक है. बट पॉइंट स्टिल बीइंग men talk shit, which is why depends on the kind of shit being spoken about me. If he's talking problems and all and opening up to his bros, I would be okay. But if he's talking other disgusting shit, then he needs to stop and he's
Then
a
it's a
flag.
10.
Yeah, then it's a flag. Subjective. What would you say?
If
The
every
woman is-
other detail is being talked about,
Hmm.
तो 10. और बाकी problems if we are discussing, तो फिर it's not a flag.
हाँ, I think if it's
because,
venting, it's
because
fine.
reaching out तो is very important.
Yes, venting, having safe space outside the relationship is very important. Keeps the relationship happy
That I figured out
later.
in the harder way.
Okay, growing up. But yeah, I think depends. Subtext इसमें जरूरी है.
Okay, next.
Hmm.
Is it gives a silent treatment when angry?
नहीं, 10. I can't deal with immature children यार. मैं 30 साल की हो गई हूँ, मुझे अपने वर्ड्स पता है, तुमको अपने होने चाहिए, तुम बोलो जो प्रॉब्लम है, हम बैठ के सॉल्व कर लेंगे. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है जो बातचीत से हल ना हो. Is my opinion, and so I think it's a flag. At least an 8.
I think it's 7-8 for me.
7-8, yeah. बात करो यार, बातचीत जरूरी है.
मतलब थोड़ा सा time ले लो.
हाँ, of course,
That
of
also
course.
I've figured out in a very
Hard way.
hard way, but yes, थोड़ा सा time ले
I
लो.
think this
but-
episode is a hard way for
Hard way
Vinayak.
for me.
But
Okay, moving on to the next.
and it was his idea, but okay.
Yellow. It's for you.
तू तो गया बेटे.
Okay. Is this a flag? Is an incel or misandrist?
Can you please explain
Sure.
these explicit words?
Incel is involuntarily celibate, जो औरतें बोलती हैं मर्दों को, जो बहुत ऐसा alpha male, संदीप रेड्डी वांगा या एंड्रयू टेट टाइप beliefs में believe करते हैं.
अच्छा, beliefs में believe करते हैं तो आप you are
Incel
like
है.
12.
No, there's grown men that believe कि women belong in kitchen. उनको
12. 14.
I am not saying this. Vinayak is saying this. He's a man. He's allowed to. If you want to come for Vinayak, come for him.
I was
But-
going to do this, but God, stop.
Misandrist, on the other hand, is the person is a woman that hates men.
Is a
Man-hating woman.
तो वो तो आजकल यार
No, so not a
एक-
feminist.
No, no,
Feminist
no.
and misandrist is.
that is what I
हाँ.
mean. आजकल फेमिनिज्म के साथ जिनको कम नॉलेज है
Hmm.
वो तो it is coming along with
Correct.
feminism.
Correct. Yeah.
हाँ.
Feminism actually, in my opinion,
Oh.
and through the books I've read, and I've read a lot, talks about equality. It talks about how men also get affected by patriarchy and how patriarchy as a system is bad. It talks about a lot of things which we'll do a different episode on. But misandry in general is you hate men because they deserve hate. I agree.
What if that someone has a past which is
Of
bad?
course, everybody has a past, which is why they're either a feminist or a misandrist or a misogynist, whatever your relation.
अच्छा, what if someone is बीच में एकदम,
Yeah, you're a feminist.
then you are a feminist.
Yeah. Because feminism is essentially कि तुम दोनों, it's not just a man versus woman world. It's a whole spectrum, and you're just open to the concept of humans above your gender. That अगर आप उसमें मानते हैं तो I think you're a feminist. बहुत लोग नहीं, क्योंकि वही है ना, feminist सब एक से शुरू होता है तो लोग तो ना.
Okay, moving on to the last one.
But is
that
it a
we-
flag?
It is a flag.
If
It
your
is, yes, it is.
girlfriend hates men,
If she
do you know? But on I don't know if you know this, but there's a lot of Insta reels and TikTok where men are crazy for women that hate men because they like the chase.
I think it
Good question.
it started with feet and now
We just mind से hate कर
body
दूं.
part over हो गए हैं तो behavior पे shift कर गए.
Valid, men will go crazy for anything, but yeah, I think misandrist मैं हूँ थोड़ी सी, पर मुझे लगता है is a trait you
You
have
have a
to.
trauma, buddy. She has a trauma.
I have a lot of trauma. No, I
Great.
don't.
No.
I don't. But
Next.
हाँ, एक सेकंड, but last
Oh,
की
sorry.
misandrist में incel तो of course is a flag. There's no doubt. There's 10 क्या 100 पे हो तुम, और plus तुम involuntary celibate हो, celibate ही रहो, relationship में क्यों?
Okay, the last one that we have is ignores your boundaries. I think 8 or 9. Learned it the harder way, but 8 or 9.
Okay, so I have a question on boundaries.
Yeah, please.
When you think of a
I think
partner,
I will give you a good answer.
hopefully, but when you think of a partner, you want someone that pushes your boundary a little,
That is
that makes you grow.
that is different.
No, it is ignoring my
Like,
boundaries when I say I don't want to learn roller skating
हाँ,
and my partner is like नहीं यार करना मजा आएगा.
तो रोलर स्केटिंग से आपका डेवलपमेंट
हाँ.
एज लाइक ये मुझे लग रहा है कि ये वाली जो बात है वो करियर ओरिएंटेशन मेजरली उसके लिए है.
ये बाउंड्री.
नहीं नहीं कि मतलब पुश करना एंड
हाँ,
ग्रो करना.
true.
हाँ,
और
उसके
in
लिए.
personal life also.
पर्सनल लाइफ तो यार हाँ ठीक है.
Or even
गो प्ले स्पोर्ट्स, गो फॉर रनिंग,
no
जॉइन अ
हाँ
जिम.
कि pushes your boundaries a little. But also just in general अगर थोड़ा real हो सके हम जैसे in a marital relationship there's things that will need to be pushed क्योंकि मैं जिस ecosystem से आती हूँ उसमें बहुत चीजें वैसी होती हैं जो शायद उसके घर में वैसे नहीं हो. And with the kind of system society we live in,
With nearly every woman.
correct, you will have to go and adapt to a new system or develop your own with somebody else. But even in those cases तुम्हारी boundaries push होंगी.
Hmm.
In which case I feel
नहीं तो we are talking about ignoring the boundaries, right?
yes, ignorance is the problem I have.
Ignorance
It's not
is the
the
problem.
हाँ, ignorance is मैं बोल रही हूँ या मैं नहीं भी बोल पा रही हूँ और तुम ये समझ ही नहीं पा रहे हो. I think that is a problem. कि ये मेरी hard boundary है. Like if I tell you I don't like getting slapped and you still like
Um,
Kabir Singh, then that's a problem.
it is a problem.
But if I
actually.
like getting slapped and you're slapping me, then that's not a problem.
वो
Then
तो
you're
फिर
not
वही
ignoring.
वही बात हो गई. पहले
हाँ.
feet से शुरू हुआ, now feelings, and now we are
With women also, do you know the kind of things women like? Insane.
one fine day I went on Reddit.
I have a
think it's
great
enough-
Reddit
it's
thread.
Enough tea.
Yeah, we can do a react where
Reddit reacts.
Vinayak just reacts to. I'll give him romance novels का ऐसा excerpt and you
From
two react.
Reddit, because
No,
Reddit
actual
has
ro-
great. Okay, Reddit
Yeah,
has
yeah.
great.
Reddit has great. We'll do a Reddit episode also. But I just want to see your reaction to actual romance plots written by women. These are books written by women.
Will do.
Done. Okay, if you want to see that, please like, comment, share, subscribe. And
We had fun shooting this.
It was very
We-
fun.
No, wait. We had a lot of difficulty in the beginning shooting this, but fun.
Yeah, for sure.
Every day, every video is learning for us.
And how.
And how.
And I think we
and
talk
how
about
do-
this.
How we make the same mistakes every time.
Yes. And new ones every time. But we talk about this in the next Gedi. So please do watch that as well.
Okay.
And thank you.
See you.
See you in the next video.